So, welcome back to another trade recap, y'all. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to Ben. He's finally payout eligible. And he's been going back and forth. He was one trade off so many times. He would take a L and he would want a revenge trade. He would come in my stream and I would tell him, yo, just chill out. You'll get it. And he finally is eligible. So, big congrats to Ben. He's in my streams every single morning supporting me. And I can't thank him more enough than that. Go into a trade recap. Gonna remove everything and we're gonna start like it's 9:30 again. Today I took two trades. One got break even and the other just hit full TP. Going into today, I zoomed out, obviously, as I do every time I go into a trading day. Mark out this high right up here. Mark out these highs as well. Basically, I had a lot of things marked out today, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I was looking for shorts. As market opened, we were just ripping, obviously, and I feel like we were just super overextended. This whole overnight move, we were just ripping, and even London close. So what did we do after? Instantly took out London highs. There were gaps right here. We were trading in this 1 hour gap right up here that I also had marked out. There was also there was a daily gap as well, which was marked out as well, which was right up here. Basically, what I'm trying to do right now is form a bias and find what direction of price I want to, target. I see that, we keep on running up. I have no doubt in mind that we could have continued on up, but if he did, my entries would have been really limited because, there's not a lot of gaps for me to take anything off of this. So going into today, and I mean, you guys can look at my streams. It's all posted on my channel. Nothing gets deleted. You guys can look at my streams. And I was just going into today. I was like, yo, like low key, I don't mind if you go up. If you go up, more than likely, I'm not going to take a trade because we're so overextended. I wanted some shorts. And let's roll the clip of me trading this actually. All right, there we go. Oh, Weddle. Oh, okay. Break even here, y'all. We're up about 37 points, 39 points, 40 points, 43 points. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't believe this. We just got break even. Welcome back. As you guys can see, we got edged. So same model, same everything. There was a 5-minute gap that, we formed on the bottom of the London highs, and I was waiting for a same thing. My model, candle closure below, retest, continuation towards these lows. And if you know that I'm doing this lightning funded challenge accounts with Tradeify, make sure you use code Zaeem at Tradeify if you want to get these lightning funded accounts. I'm trading 5 of them at the same time. They were $200 away from getting blown and I brought them back. So they're back at break even, which honestly, like a lot of people would have just given up whenever they were down to $200. I sized down, I stayed composed, took 2 dubs back to back, and now we are back. Took a lot of patience, I'm not going to lie. We had to got break even yesterday. We didn't even take a trade yesterday. Today I got break even. I could have called it there, but I just knew something told me that we were gonna eventually come down, and I wanted to catch it. So I gave the entry out to the stream for the second entry as well, and I just got off, chilled a little bit, played GeoGuessr, whatever you guys will see, play some music, had a good time, and now we're here. So same thing as I was talking about. So right now, as you can see on the 1 minute, we wouldn't be tagged into anything. As soon as this candle came up, I got filled, right? And I was in some shorts going for a 1-to-1. I'm sizing with 5 micros. So if I get 60 points, that is $600, which is right where I want to be with these lightning funded accounts. I wanted to eventually target these lows that I thought that was draw right there. And we quickly, I set my break even around here. I remember as soon as we got break even here, we went all the way down to about 40 points in profit. We were 15 points away or 20 points away from hitting full TP. And yeah, actually, no, now that I look at it, I think my TP was all the way down here because I wanted this draw. Yeah, so we were about 15 points away from getting tagged out and hitting full TP. Got to break even right up here. which I had it marked out. Move my stops to break even and we get stopped out. I'm just like, damn, like I really like shorts, and I was looking for another re-entry at this point. We consolidated a little bit and I was looking at it. I was marketing out. I was trying to see if we respect it or we're going to keep on continuing up. And as you know, we did not respect it. We closed below, well, we closed above it, but we ended up coming down. So I was just waiting. Waiting. I told the stream that if we take out these highs right up here, I was gonna call it, because I mean we have been streaming for a long time. So I had that marked out and it looked like we were gonna go towards it, but then okay, all right, I got filled there. Stops at this high, and we're going for 60 points. So honestly perfect. If he hit high day, I mean I'm done. I'm about to honestly end the stream because no matter what happens, if we hit TP, okay, here, I'll go break even around here as well. My break even's right here. Stops at 50 points, targeting this low right here. Hold on, we might get break even. Okay, break even. Bang, bang. Let's go, motherfucker. Come on! Go! Go, motherfucker, go! Please. Oh wait, I can close it out. Order cancelled. Okay, yeah. Okay, perfect. This makes a lot more sense. So my entry was off of this gap right up here, and I was waiting. Since it's a 1 minute, on a 5 minute I would wait for the CE, but if it's a 1 minute, I'm waiting for the closure. So my entry would have been off of this candle right up here, and the second I got in, we were in drawdown. This was my fill. My fill was 67. I had my stops at high day, and I was targeting these lows right up here, which was about, where is it, 71 points or so. I actually just had 60 points because that's all that I needed. Or actually, no, since we were already down 15 bucks, I had my TP set at 71.25. Eventually, I wanted us to come down right here to this low right up here. Oh my god. Eventually, I did want us to come down to this low right up here, and that would have been our draw. But with these 20% consistency rules, I couldn't catch the full move, and that's perfectly fine. I'm okay with being locked out for the day. After I get my money, call it there. That's the way I like to trade. And yeah, we got in this trade. We saw a lot of drawdown, and we almost got break even. Mind you, my break even was, I set my break evens past this right here. Yeah, my break even was right here. Went break even, and we came a lot close to getting tagged out for no gain, no loss. We finally ended up hitting TP, hit my draws, and yeah, that is the trade recap for the day. I'm sure a lot of people caught this in the Discord as well. I'm super happy. Tomorrow is FOMC. Thursday we have unemployment claims, and Friday there's no trading. So I'm gonna hopefully try to get to about 51,200 on these accounts this week, if possible, if everything goes good. One thing I forgot to show you guys is the balance and everything for today. Let me lock out real quick. No more trading. We're done trading. And yeah, we're up $604 on the day. The drawdown is at 1934. When I first exited the position, I had $581, and I took a little scalp right up here. Got my extra $32 that I needed just to get back to 50K. I can also go into right here, and we can go right here and see these are the trades. So obviously, 42-minute trade to get my TP. This was a 10-second trade to get the $32, and then this was all just where was this? Yeah, this was my break evens right up here. This caused me to lose about $17 or so. So I was down $17 going into the day, or going to the second trade. And yeah, took no losses, one break even trade and one W. But yeah, 1-0 on the week. Didn't take anything today. Yesterday took 2 trades today, 1 break even, 1 full TP, and we're green. And I hope you guys enjoyed the trade recap. If you guys want more, make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I do this every single morning. I go live streaming every single morning for you guys. Like this video, and if you want to cop the best accounts for the best firm possible, use code Zaeem at Tradeify, and they'll get you right. Let's go, baby.